Hello, beautiful divine one. Hello, hello. Many of you have been asking me questions about this goddess course that I'm doing. So the goddess course itself is an incredible space of higher dimensional sacred alignment, reconnectivity for all those who are feeling called to be in this space, to their divine feminine within their being and within all truly. This is beyond even the individual, and this is truly a space of deep reconnection for the unity as well of all. The planet, the animals, the trees, the cosmos. There's so much. It's so vast. If I began to try to list and the understanding of unity, we would be here eternally. So there are these beautiful energetic keys that came in for me to share with you, and these will help, these will assist, these will activate, these will attune you in this goddess course as you work with them. You will have one per week to work with, so one higher dimensional energetic key per week, and they're quite interesting, they're quite fascinating, they're quite beautiful, and they correspond with the energy of the teaching for that particular week. So you have that beautiful higher dimensional energy key, then you have the teachings of the week laid out in bullet point form, so somewhat, and then there's a space. I created a workbook journal, customized all on my own, created this of what was coming through that needed to be conveyed. And so that is available to you in PDF format. So it's part of the investment. So you're with me in the quantum, because I go in to the quantum and I hold sacred alignment through a cosmic quantum energy for all those in the Rise of the Divine Goddess course. And that lasts for an hour. So you have an hour quantum energy session with me. And then I make a video of additional activations and attunements that I do with my hands and my words and whatever else is coming through at the time. And I also share my notes with you of what came through for all that are in the space during the attuning and activation session. Those things right there, that's a really big space of connectivity where I will walk with you weekly, energetically, consciously, emotionally, mentally, being with you as you reconnect to deeper spaces of you. These spaces are your origin. These spaces that I'm speaking of are your 0 point. We will not learn about any goddesses of human history. So if you're coming into a goddess course looking to connect with Mother Mary or Freya or Kali or any of the divine beautiful goddesses, Kuan Yin, if you're looking to connect with them and learn about them, this course will not give that to you. That is not what this course is about. This course is about the divine goddess, that all of those goddesses are in their origin and that you are in your origin. And this is a reconnectivity to that space. And all of those spaces that I just spoke of, they get our respect and our love and our honor. But we are ready to go beyond that. Humankind, consciousness of humanity is ready to go beyond that. And this work moves through the physical body of the being. So you have sacred spaces on your body as a feminine being. You have the vagina, the breasts, the mouth, the eyes, your ears, your hands, so many spaces of you that your entire being is sacred, but there are spaces of the feminine that the male does not have. And those feminine spaces have been distorted, degraded, dishonored in many ways in human history. And this course is designed to heal that space of the conscious collective, to heal that space of the masculine, and to heal that space within you, in your own individual space of being a feminine in this now. And beyond, there's even more being done here as well, but I'm trying to convey as much as I can and be concise. There's so much available in this space. We will go down many beautiful paths and understandings in this course. We will open many gorgeous doors of truths and expansion. There will be drumming, there will be toning. I do have a list of additional items you might want to have on hand. You do not have to have them on hand, but you might want to have them on hand if you're wanting to be very interactive with the space. And the things that I think would be beneficial for you to have in this space would be a drum. And if you can't get your hands on a drum, and I know this sounds silly, but it does work. You can even get like a big Tupperware, like a plastic bin, and have that with you. There's many ways you can work around this space. Crystal, some type of crystal. If you can get your hands on, or you have a Lumerian, please bring it to the course if you're in this course. A Lumerian crystal or any other crystal. Clear quartz is fantastic as well. A shawl or some type of light head covering, like a small cloth or a shawl. Oil, an essential oil, frankincense, lavender, those are beautiful. There are many. Sage and a candle, those would be very beneficial for you to have if you want to be interactive with the ceremony spaces. But all those who join this are going to be placed into a private chat so you can communicate with each other as you go through the course and share all that's going on that you feel to share, or just sit in the background and read what others share. There's never any pressure to do one or the other. And all those who are in this course are also going to have a private student portal on my website. So you'll have a password, and you'll go to my website and you'll enter the password, and then you'll have your Zoom links in there. You'll have your music for your quantum sessions that we'll be doing weekly. You'll have the PDF link in there so you can get into your PDF. All of the videos for every single class will be videoed. So if you can't make those lives because you work or because you're in another time zone, I have that happen all the time. I have people in Australia, Singapore, India. Their time zones are very different than mine. So they do all my stuff via video, and it's still as powerful. The video does not take anything away from the space. You know that with my work. You know that with my work. So the portal online will have all of the class videos, the attuning videos, and it will also have some additional stuff in there as well. But it'll be one space that you'll be able to go into and have easy access to everything in the course. And so you won't have to be watching for emails with Zoom links or anything like that. You'll be able to get everything directly from the portal. So there's a lot in this space, and it's absolutely unfolded divinely and beautifully, and I knew I was to bring it forth. The PDF itself is, I'm so proud of it, and I love it so much in the most beautiful way, like a baby. It's like my baby. The PDF, it offers you a space to really go deeper into you, to any of the spaces that your being has experienced that are waiting for your love. It assists you in also expanding into the higher spaces of you that are waiting to love you. Yes? And so I'm really grateful to be able to present it to you. So the PDF is included in the course and the investment for the course. So I think I've mentioned most everything on here. There is a sacred ceremony once a month with this space. So every single month, you're going to have at least one sacred ceremony, and you can interactively connect in through the space of the Zoom and or the video. All right, I think I've covered so much here. Quite beautiful space that I'm so excited to be offering. There are payment plans available if you do need a payment plan. So any questions, comments, or feedback, please let me know. I am honored to facilitate this space for each and every one of you and to walk with you as you allow that divine goddess to rise. Unending blessings upon you, Holy One. Unending.